Hello everyone. So today I will be showing you a demo how you could integrate your Salesforce with the Outlook for iOS on your iPhone. So many of you wonder if that's possible. Yes, it is possible, and that's possible with a Smart Cloud Connect for Salesforce. You can install it. I'll provide the link in this video description, and there's also instructions in the video that I did the previous time. So I'll also provide the link to that video in that video description. So here is my iPhone screen. You can see it. And already have the Smart Cloud Connect for Salesforce activated on my Office 365. So you need to get Outlook for iOS installed on your iPhone. And once you have it, you basically would be able to get access to the Smart Cloud add-in. So let's say this is my inbox, so I can open any random email here. Now, to have access to Microsoft add-ins, you will need to click on those three dots. And once you click on them, that would open the add-ins. And so here's the Smart Cloud add-in. And once you open that add-in, you are able to see exactly same records in that sidebar that you would typically see inside of your desktop Outlook. So the same thing, you can actually view your Salesforce records. So let's say for that specific email, I have an opportunity. I also, if I click on detailed view, you can also see that I have an account. Additionally, again, opportunity, so the product's under opportunity. I can edit. I have also a contact. Now I can edit this any of those objects. So if I click edit option, I can edit any of those fields. Now, if I need to, I also, let's say if I got a call from that person, then I can add a quick memo about the call outcome. I can log that call. I can add a follow-up task, so I can choose, let's say, when I need to follow up and what I need to be doing during that follow-up. I just select the due date for the follow-up. Additionally, I can see what people are related, let's say, in that specific opportunity. And also, if there are any file attachments in that email, I can actually attach that file right inside of my iPhone. So again, that's a very great feature that you can do with the Smart Cloud Connect for Salesforce on your iPhone. So additional good statistics that Smart Cloud provides within the sidebar on your iPhone is that you can view open statistics. That allows you to see what emails been opened that you've recently sent. Additionally, you can use the suggest to meet feature that allows you to set up the follow-up meetings with your customers and prospects. Now, besides that, using that sidebar, you can also share your availability. This is the link. And again, you can use the call and follow-up that allows you to set up the call and follow-up task for this specific contact. Now, another great feature with that Smart Cloud has, if you enable the synchronization of your tasks between your Salesforce and your Outlook, you can actually see all these contacts and tasks on your iPhone. So I'll show you the page with the tasks. So just a sec. So this is the sync settings of the Smart Cloud. And here you can, to get this to this page, basically click on the sidebar in your desktop Outlook. That's the easiest way. Click detailed view, go to the sync settings, to the settings, and then choose sync settings, and that would take you to this page. And if you click on the sync settings under filters, you can activate the synchronization of your contacts. Here you can choose whether you want to synchronize all available contacts you have in Salesforce or only those contacts where you're the contact owner, or you can actually create a view in your contacts and just synchronize that view to your Office 365. Now, once you have that task synchronization activated, using the same sidebar, you would be able to see those contacts directly in your phone book. So if you click on groups, and you see this is my work mail account that I've set up on my phone. If you don't know how to do that, you go to the settings, and then you would scroll down until you reach accounts and passwords. And this is where you would add a new account. You click add new account, and this is my work account. So, and you choose that you want to synchronize your contacts. Okay. So once you got your contacts synchronized, you would see a separate folder, Salesforce contacts. So now if any of your Salesforce contacts would call your phone, you would immediately know who is calling because their name will pop up on your caller ID. Now, additionally, if you open those contacts in your phone book, you will see their phone number, you will see their email address, you also will see the link to the Salesforce, their address, and additionally any notes that you left in Salesforce before. So this is really helpful because if you get a call from an unknown person, from any of your reps, any of your prospects, or any of your customers, and you don't have them in your phone book, you can easily find their records with the contact sync provided by Smart Cloud. So I guess you would find this tutorial interesting and beneficial for you. And again, if you need to get Smart Cloud installed, please go to our page on our website. That is Smart Cloud Connect / wizard. smartcloudconnect.io/wizard, and you would be able to get Smart Cloud installed and get started with the Smart Cloud use on your iPhone.